Yes, Admar, no, mga kababayan, MJ, no, this is a very important lesson learned here, no. Ang ginawa ni PRRD, no. This is why PRRD is probably the most brilliant political tactician ever to grace our political landscape. Biro nyo, hindi niya dinibunk yung patutsada ni Bongbong Marcos. Ang sinabi lang niya is parang reverse psychology. Kung okay sa inyo ang nangyayari dito sa administrasyon ni Bongbong Marcos, eh di iboto nyo sila. Iboto nyo yung mga kandidato ni Bongbong Marcos. Ganun lang kasimple. No? And I'm not a psychologist, pero yung mga ganong klaseng narrative or ganong klaseng statements, actually, ang pumupukaw yan sa damdamin ng isang tao na nakikinig doon at will invite him to be more introspective. At titingnan niya ngayon, tama kaya itong si PRRD? And in context, no, si PRRD still enjoys almost 90 or even higher plus percent, no, ng approval ratings ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Almost 3 years from his yung mga magmula ng he step out of office. And ang sabi nga sa mga internal surveys, he is even more approved and more popular and most trusted now than he was when he was still president. So ganun talaga ang convincing power ni PRRD. At makikita niyo na nga, no, he was not selling very hard his candidates, no. Hindi niya yung forced selling, yung hard selling, wala, no. Ano lang, yung ikaw mismo tao, talagang hihikayatin kanya to do critical thinking and a critical evaluation of the candidates presented by both sides of the political aisle.